Yeah, I don't like them much either. Kind of annoying, huh? Their whole chest, like... Are you getting it on video?